Hey guys, what's up? I gotta do some welding on this SEARS Suburban here. I'm building a 3-point hitch for it. There's the two arms that come down. These were made out of support braces for an old shredder. You can see right here where they were welded at the first time. They don't look real great right there and here. This one over here is a little bit skinny. That one there, not real great either. So what we're going to do is here we're going to get this real hot. We're going to weld it on a hotter setting with just a little bit more wire. What this is going to do is going to kind of heat this up and kind of reshape it so it looks a little better. And we're going to add our little bit of a wire to it to fill in right here. Just the same down there. Now this one right here ain't that bad, but it ain't real great. So I'll show you here. This is a Hobart Handler 140. We're going to be welding it on 4 and 35. Set that guy up there. Show you guys that pod right there. So if you see here, that's better than what it was. It ain't great, but it's better. This one over here I'll redo. Not great either, but the reason why I'm putting the pin in here is because this right here will absorb some of the heat. So it'll keep it from breaking through. It'll help. And just so y'all know, this is flux core, the Hobart Handler. 10 pound spool, 30 thousandths wire. 35 thousandths tip. Once again, this is gasless flux core. So I'll show you some welds that I was doing with it earlier. This is on a landscaping rake I'm doing for a friend. You can see that right there. It's not bad, but it's just equipment. Don't really care about the look of it as long as it's hot and it holds. So thank you guys for tuning in for this far. Don't forget to tell me if you guys are interested in these videos, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more. Thank you.